Hello guys, so once again you're all welcome back to Crypto Daily TV. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, share my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell for all updates from Crypto Daily. So guys, without much further ado, today I'm having a new platform over here that you can make a lot of money from it. It's a new land site, so guys, you all need to jump up. My guys from Nigeria, my guys from South Africa, my guys from Ghana, Uganda, Zambia, any part of Africa, any part of the world you find yourself in, kindly jump onto this platform right now and make money from it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is how I make money and I've decided to share with you. So guys, without much further ado, you need to, before you register any account, you need to open my description box. Kindly click on the link under my description so that you join this particular platform over here. So for you to register, it's a real quick thing. You first of all need to sign up a new account. So I'll log out quickly for you guys to see how the registration is being done. So let's say if you're a newbie over here, you just need to click on the sign up button to register a new account. So I'll just click on the sign up button. You just need to type in your email, your password, you confirm the password, and you fill in all these blank spaces over here. So I'm already having an account. I'll click on login real quick over here. So I already have an account. I'll just type in my password. So I'll just sign in right now. So actually this is my account. As you can see over here, I have a total balance of $100 over here. Whenever you sign up a new account using my referral link, they give you a total balance of $100. So guys, let me show you how everything basically works. So this is the home page of the platform. In order for you to make deposit on this platform, you need to check the VIP level in which you find yourself in. So for the VIP one, it requires you to deposit a total amount of $113. But very fortunately, they've given us $100 balance, so we just need to top up with $13, only $13. We'll top up with $13 over here. So with the $13 that we top up, each and every day we will get a total amount of 2.20 USDT, $2.20 each and every day for 365 days. So guys, with the VIP 2 the same thing over here. You need to top up with $58 to make 158, which you get a total profit of $10 each and every day. So guys, in order for you to deposit into this particular account, for you to activate the first VIP level, you need to come here, you click on home, then you click on the deposit button over here. So guys, we click on it quickly over here. So guys, as you can see here, they say please do not recharge any non-TRC20 USDT asset, and arrival is 1 to 3 minutes. Arrival is 1 to 3 minutes, guys. So all you need to do is to copy this address over here, go to your Binance, and you deposit right away. So guys, after depositing everything, you come back over here, you perform your tax, you get the money, and you withdraw as soon as possible. So after doing the tax, you can withdraw your bonus quickly over here, and the minimum withdrawal, as you can see here, is just 2.20, and the maximum is 30,000 USDT. So guys, you can withdraw as much as you want. And also don't forget, you can share this particular platform with your friends and family. So you need to copy your referral link. So we click on copy. So as you can see over here, we've copied our referral link successfully over here. We share with our friends and family on WhatsApp, everywhere on the social media platform. So guys, that's how you basically need to do everything over here in order for you to make money. So guys, I would like to say a very big thank you. Kindly watch the video till the end so that you get a clear explanation of how everything works. Kindly don't skip everything. Kindly watch till the end so that you not miss anything. Thank you all for watching Crypto Daily TV. Bye.